Now, look, I'm plugged the USB cable to CF3 card. Now the blue LED is blink, and now the clean flight don't work. Yes. Şuraya. Don't work, and CF3 is very hot. This problem. Thank you.